Hello, guys. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Keyapp, the platform that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search on Google Play and App Store. And today we are going to discuss the methods to increase the application revenue using keyword promotion, App Store optimization, and app reputation management. If you work with applications or app marketing, you know for sure that nowadays there are different ways to generate the revenue for your application. First of all, there are different monetization ways like subscription and app purchases, some advertisement, and so on. But still, we do understand that all these methods are about paid methods or paid user acquisition. Of course, we know that paid user acquisition is extremely popular nowadays, and it really gives the impact to the number of users that the application has and, of course, the application revenue. But we shouldn't forget about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and, of course, the app reputation. Despite the fact that nowadays most app developers are focused on user paid acquisition, it's important to focus on organic users attraction as well, and still App Store optimization and keyword promotion can be the source of organic users, of users who generate in-app activity and, of course, app revenue. So first of all, when we are talking about the revenue, we should remember that one of the most important tools is, of course, App Store optimization. So we remember that App Store optimization includes the text and graphics optimization, and both these components are extremely important, and they influence the conversion rates and, of course, the organic traffic the application has. Talking about App Store optimization, do not forget about this step when you launch your application, and remember that actually App Store optimization is a kind of iterative process when you should do the updates according to the store algorithm, according to some changes, and of course according to competitors. So in App Store optimization, you also need to proceed with A/B tests, so to understand what works better for your app. Of course, when we are talking about revenue generation, we understand that for this, we need the users who will generate an app activity and who can generate revenue according to our monetization way. Like if we work with subscriptions, like proceed with subscriptions, or to proceed with in-app purchases. So keyword promotion is one of the most important tools for organic traffic attraction and, of course, for revenue generation. So working with keywords, first of all, it is extremely important to understand the niche you're working in and how competitors proceed, like the most successful competitors, for example. And in such a way, it's important to distinguish the keywords you're going to work with. And if you want to generate the revenue, of course, the keywords should be of middle and high competitiveness, as exactly such search requests can bring the revenue and the users to your application. Of course, sometimes it is needed to invest in such keywords more, and like longer time may be needed to get top positions for such search requests. But still, we don't understand that if the application gets into the top for such keywords, the users will install the application, and of course, the revenue will be generated as well. Of course, here the region is important as well. We all know that in paid user acquisition, usually we start with the United States or with tier 1 countries, as we don't understand that the possibilities of the users to pay there are higher than in other countries. And actually, the same approach can be applied to keyword promotion. And if your application is not region targeted, you can start with the United States or some tier 1 countries like Canada, Australia, Great Britain. And of course, we shouldn't forget about app reputation. If to be honest, among all the ways to attract the users and to generate the revenue for the application, app reputation may occupy the lowest position. But still, we do understand that Everything in app promotion, in app marketing, is about the metrics, and app reputation is extremely important metric that actually influence the conversion rate and the quality of users you attract to your application. So first of all, you need to work with app reputation, like following the rating, replying the reviews, and of course you need to use all the possible ways to increase the app reputation. So users who would like to install your application and go to the application page on Google Play or App Store could say that actually the application is worth to be downloading. So in such a way, we don't understand that, of course, paid acquisition shouldn't be excluded from your promotion strategy, from your marketing activity. And we don't understand that nowadays, for example, the acquisition from Facebook is extremely popular and most app developers actually use it. But still, do not forget about the organic and do all the possible efforts to attract organic traffic and make everything possible so to make your application visible on Google Play and App Store. And of course, keyword promotion is extremely important for this. So if you want to create the strategy for your application keyword promotion, or you just need the help with our service, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we'll be happy to assist and get top positions in the search list with Keyapp.